Hey you guys, this is Kesha Murray, your girl Mama Kesha, checking in here with the Jump to Health shakes. The Jump to Health shakes are working very good for me. I have some before and after pictures that I'm going to show to you. They are very nutritious, full of nutrition, very affordable. You guys need to take this health jump with me. Take a healthjump.com. Check it out. Learn more. Get on board. Yes. All right. So the pictures will follow and more updates will come. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.